Today I'd like to take you through how to set up a mix minus in your Tieline audio codec. A mix minus is usually a feed sent from the studio to the remote site, so that the talent does not hear themselves coming back in delay. As you can imagine, this can be very distracting. A mix minus is usually a combination of sources containing everything except a designated input. The feed from the studio is used by remote announcers to hear on-air cues and to communicate with studio-based announcers in real time. Mix minus feeds are often created using a studio mixing console. However, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create one on the Tieline ViA portable codec, and this also can be done on the HTML toolbox for all other Tieline codecs as well. On a ViA codec, I have configured and loaded a dual mono program. One mono stream will connect to a codec at the studio and send back a program mix. The other will connect to a sideline commentator using another ViA at a sports event. Next, I go to the matrix editor to configure my mix minus in just seconds. I want to hear the incoming audio from the ViA codec by selecting Decoder 2 crosspoints for my headphones in the matrix. Plus, I will feed it into the program mix sent back to the studio. I also want to send a clean mix minus back to the sideline reporter over encoder 2. So I send all my inputs without the incoming sideline mic on Decoder 2. Remember, they don't want to hear themselves back on delay. I will also add the incoming audio from the studio to the mix, going to our sideline reporter, so they can hear any replay packages and ad break cues from the studio. Now all I have to do is connect both streams and the setup is complete. It's that simple. Now I can call the game from home or another remote location, as well as connect to another announcer or a guest at another location. For TV broadcasters, this is a great way to cover major sports or any other major events when they can't be there in person. The ViA codec supports up to 3 mono connections, and you can use the free Toolbox Web GUI or Cloud Codec Controller software to adjust any of the settings of your announcers remotely, including the matrix editor settings shown here. To learn more about the ViA, Gateway or Gateway 4 codecs for live remotes, visit tieline.com or contact Tieline or your favourite Tieline dealer.